We have Nikita and her sidekick, Kai, right? Kai?
Yes.
Yep. And so, what's your secret to smashing the CTF?
Our secret?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a secret.
It's gonna be secret.
Just kidding. It was really cool. We had to dig up a lot of things, and we worked in teams. So I think that was one of the secrets. Working in teams, working together.
So he was your secret weapon.
Yeah.
Oh.
The other way around.
The other way around.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what was your favorite part?
I think my favorite part was finding the 500 one, which was an image, and we had to actually go on a Shodan and look up for the IP address, which I never knew what it was. So it was really interesting, finding that.
Showed in the webcam search site, right?
Yeah, the search engine for hackers. Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. So so those two, they are the first and the second in CTF, and also Nikita specifically, she's our champion for ITC.
Oh yeah, we were second.
Well, we're number two. We're number two because judges had.
Because they were a little biased, but it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So, do you feel like taking classes here has prepared you for this in any way, shape, or form?
Yeah, to some degree, definitely.
Yeah.
But then I feel like OSS has been really the main thing that's really helped us do all these pen tests and CTFs, because that kind of thing we've done in workshops for OSS.
Nice. Yeah. So, and that's OSS back there. They are getting ready to take out the trash. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys for the interview, and this is Bugcrowd 2019.